Hello and welcome to another trades review video. This was trading day number 9 for my Forex Found challenge. So let's jump straight into it. Here you can see my trades. There was 2 trades. This was the first one and this was the second one, with one partial took very soon and the other partial took some time later. The first trade I opened yesterday after a football match with 4 beers into my butt, and yeah, it was an impulsive FOMO trade, and I managed to close it 1 pip in profit, and that's it. The other trade was planned and it had a better price entry. So let's put the first trade on and switch to the 5 minutes so you can see better. This was the entry here, and I was hoping to see the price get down from this level, and it was about 20 pips in drawdown, and then I closed it 1 pip in profit here. And this is the second trade. And on the 1 minute, this was the entry. I was in drawdown about 1 pip for, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then the price went down. The first partial was here. Stop loss moved a little closer. So even if the stop loss would be hit, I will be still at the break even. And yes, the second trade went in profit for roughly 27 pips. And then the price reversed and hit my trailing stop loss. So now let's look at the chart and the reasoning behind the trade. First of all, I will do a top-down analysis of UJ. As you can see, we are trending in a monthly range from this top to this bottom. This bottom for me made a break of structure, so eventually I'm expecting the price to go lower. And what you can see above all these roughly equal highs here, it means that above them there is liquidity. And now the question is, will this be a rally base rally, or we will have a drop and then the liquidity been taken off the stops? And these are 2 options. Now we can jump on a daily, and we had this beautiful consolidation here, the swing low that broke the consolidation, and the return to the origin. So yes, I am happy to taking shorts from this level until proven wrong. Now why? There is liquidity below this consolidation here in form of a trend line and equal lows, and there is a nice demand zone below this liquidity that originated the break-off structure here. So one option is that we are going down to this level to take this liquidity, to then be able to go higher to take this weekly liquidity and step in some order block here to go lower eventually. But as a trader, I will follow the price. For now, the price is telling me to go short. Now let's go on the 15-minute chart. And now we can see a Wyckoff schematic unfolding. It's far from complete. From this schematic, I took this short trade on the secondary test that broke the low of the automatic rally. And within this high here is another Wyckoff schematic. And let's jump to the 1-minute chart. Make a breakdown of the trade. Okay. Let's put it on. Just let me find. Yeah, this one. Okay. I believe I start watching the chart somewhere here. And what I saw was this impulsive move down that broke structure. And then I was waiting for the price to tap into one of the zones above. On the unfolding of the price, you will see the price made liquidity in form of equal highs and an initial trend line like this. And it took first liquidity from the trend line, then took liquidity from these equal highs. And at this point, I was looking for where to enter, and this is the last indecision candle before the break of structure. So I put my sell limit order at the start of this candle, stop loss just above these highs here. After the trade was finished, I also found another interesting thing. You will see it now. This is a volume profile that can be used as a confluence or a confirmation. And now you will see the price how unfolds. Here was the top of the zone. My trade was triggered. Another tap into the zone, and then the price went lower and make a break of structure here. So as you can see, these highs are perfectly in line with the volume profile and where the most volume were. Okay, so now I can delete the volume profile. And the liquidity changed, like the liquidity line changed like this. And yeah, all other is mostly history. Now let's talk about the target. On the way down, there was a tight consolidation here. So on the way down, I marked another Wyckoff accumulation that turned out to be a Wyckoff distribution. Okay. And this was the lowest point, or this candle here. Now, my target was some few pips lower because I took a 1 minute order block from this zone here, not this entire 5 minute order block. Yeah, the sell to buy. It was already mitigated a little bit by this week, but nevertheless, why this target here? Because there was liquidity below this trend line. So I didn't target the previous low here, but just lower to this OB here. And this is also a part of a bigger schematic that's unfolding as we speak. Supply, buying climax, automatic rally. And this was the secondary test. Now, just a minute. Secondary test. Now we are making the STB that should be above the buying climax, hopefully, and then we will see what the price will make. The schematic keeps unfolding. I will look for sells tomorrow or maybe on a Monday. For now, I'll leave it like this. There was a possible buy here, but I didn't see a clear entry point. Maybe this W formation making equal lows, but yeah, or on the break of structure here and the test of the last sell to buy before the break of structure here on this entry here. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you find it useful, this breakdown. And I'm also inviting you to join me on the Discord server. As you can see, I posted the trade before it happened with all the marking, the Wyckoff marking, the entry, and of course then the price went lower and so on. The link to the Discord server is in the description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can join me on Discord and ask there, or you can post in the comments down below. You know what to do if you like the video, and if you want to get notifications on the next videos, I believe you also know what to do. So yeah, be safe. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.